Hi, I'm Mark at the Caravan Place and I'm bringing you an urgent update about the towing law that was set to change on the 15th of November.
Tonight, they led me to you every single time you...
So, as you may be aware, if you passed your test after 1997, from the 15th of November they had set the date where you could literally tow a trailer up to 3.5 tonne. So car and trailer could go up to 7 tonne basically, 3.5 tonne car and a 3.5 tonne caravan or trailer. Now that was all set in stone supposedly, that law was going to change and you didn't have to go and take another test, and basically from 15th of November it was just going to be added to your licence, so you could go out and you could get a bigger car, bigger caravan, and you would be completely legal. Now they'd first announced that you, from the 20th September I think it was, that you couldn't go and take a test for this anymore, so no more tests. You can't go and do some training and then take a test. It's just not possible anymore. They've scrapped the test because of all the HGV tests, etc. But they were going to then announce that the law was going to change later on, which was set for 15th of November. So from the 15th of November, you were supposed to be able to go and tow a caravan or trailer up to 3,500 kilos, 3.5 tonne. We've just had an update, and basically what the update says, the new rules for a trailer with a car for autumn 2021. There will be new rules about towing a trailer or caravan with a car later in 2021. Find out how the changes affect you. The change made. Update to confirm that the rules about what you can tow will not change on the 15th of November. So literally just at 4:30 on the 11th of November, they've now turned around and said, no, stop, we're not going to swap the law, we're not changing the law. If you passed your test after 97, from the 15th of November, you cannot go and tow a bigger car and caravan legally. So if you've been out on the basis that the law was going to change on the 15th of November, don't go out on the road because you're not going to be legal. They've still not introduced whether you're going to be able to take a test to be able to do that. They've just literally turned around and said the law isn't changing. And this has been brought about by a politician in Bristol, basically, I believe she is, and she has been petitioning to say that this new law shouldn't pass. It's not safe for people to just go and tow 3.5 tonne without some basic training, which I get that, I understand that, to be fair, but it just seems a little bit late in the day to be now changing the goalpost when they'd set the date and said actually from the 15th of November, if you passed your test after 97, you can go and tow 3.5 tonne trailer basically, or caravan. So if you have been out, or that's what you were hoping to be able to go and buy a bigger caravan car, stop, you're not going to be able to. Again, as soon as we get more information of exactly what the situation is, are they going to change the law, aren't they going to change the law, are they going to bring the test back in, I honestly don't know at the moment. All that we've got is, as I say, just that email from the government saying that they're not going to change the towing law from the 15th of November. So from that date you're not going to be legal, so do not go out there and tow a bigger car or caravan over. You've got to stick to that combined weight of 3.5 tonnes. So your car and your caravan still needs to be under 3,500 kilos combined weight, even from the 15th of November at the moment, unfortunately. We will do a video as soon as we get a new date. I'm presuming that they're just going to set a new date and then probably battle it out to see whether they'll actually pass the law or not, or whether they're just dragging us out and it's never going to happen. We will see, and as soon as we know, we'll update you. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark at the Caravan Place.